Alright guys, so I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new collapsible wagon. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. User manual. So we'll pull it. As you can see, it's super collapsible, but let's go ahead and actually set it up. As you can see, it's very compact and only weighs 12 pounds, so it's easy to carry and store whenever you're done with it. This is the bottom of it, so this will actually hold up to 360 pounds. So let's go ahead and actually set it up. The actual setup of the wagon was really easy. You just have to insert the 4 wheels into the allotted slot, and then once you're done with that, you'll just put the handle as well. Everything locks cleanly into place. Although it is compact and lightweight, it does feel very tough. When you are done using it, it folds down super small. Look at how easy it is. Literally just pull it from the middle and then it'll collapse right in. Okay, and here is our wagon with a couple items in it. As you can see, it has some cup holders in the front, which is great for keeping drinks or small stuff close by. When it's open, it has tons of space. As you can see, we got plenty of snacks in there. It was super easy to use. The handle adjusts to the height you need and feels comfortable to hold. It rolls smoothly over grass, dirt, or whatever surface you're on. Perfect for camping, beach days, or even running errands. The wagon has a sturdy frame and durable fabric to hold up no matter what you load into it. The wheels are great on any surface, so it's perfect for parks or even outdoor events. I did like that the wagon wasn't getting stuck or super wobbly. The material on the inside did feel very sturdy. It felt thick enough to hold up against wear and tear, so you don't have to worry about it ripping, breaking after using it just a couple times. I really did like those cup holders. They're such a small detail but make a big difference. As you can see, even holding my dog, it was super easy to pull the wagon wherever you need it. If you guys are looking for a new heavy duty foldable wagon, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.